Okay, so I just want to show you how you can find specific companies that you're looking for in Clay, find people that work at those companies with different job titles, different seniority levels, and finally how to run a waterfall enrichment on their email address to make sure that you can contact the right person with the right email address. So first we want to just go over and create a company. Let's just look at data security software products. All company sizes is fine. In the United Kingdom, um, in London. Okay, and then just for this example, we just want to use 10. Search for 10. Import these into a new table. Once that table has loaded up, just head over to the top right hand corner, go to Actions, and you can find people at these companies. So different job titles, seniority level, let's just go for owner, partner, C-suite, VP, and director. Um, let's do sales, marketing. So we're trying to find people that work at those companies, at those 10 companies under those names and seniority levels. You can already see the previews, pulled these guys in. So let's just import that into a new table. Now here's the first way that you can do it. As soon as you create that table, you can just run the enrichment straight from here. So we'd want a work email, you just toggle that on. But I'm just going to show you how you get there without doing that. So go all the way to add column, add enrichment, enrich person info, scroll down until you see work email. There you go, there's a preloaded waterfall enrichment up there already. You can go into the full configuration. If you've got your own API keys, different logins for different products, then use those. If you want to save yourself some credits, there's some smart ways around doing that, but just for this particular scenario, we're just going to do the quick setup. You've got to make sure that they have the full name in there, which they should do if you just run that. And finally, the company domain. If they don't have the company domain, they're not going to be able to find it. So all of the 10 that or the 6 that we've pulled in, have their company domain in there as well. So we just save these and run these 6 rows. And there you go, our waterfall enrichment is up and running. So you've got, each time it doesn't find an email, it moves on to the next data provider. And some of them it does capture, you can see where it's ticked. There's loads in here, so they should find most of them, unless that person maybe doesn't exist. And here you go, so it churns out all of the email addresses that have been found. It'll go all the way along and get them all in. The one that it hasn't found yet is still just running through, so no email found. Full and rich might have it. But that's it. So that is how you would find specific companies that you're looking for, find people that work at those companies under their seniority levels and what department they're in, and then how you can run a waterfall enrichment on email, so you can make sure that you've got the correct email